Don't waste your money on expensive hair treatments. This 3-ingredient mask can regrow your hair naturally. Stay with me until the end of the video as I tell you the secret to hair regrowth and hair loss treatment. My special surprise for new viewers of my channel is a recipe for a rejuvenating drink and get younger. It doesn't matter how old you are. Are you a woman or a man? Many people don't know that with just chia seeds, coconut oil, and aloe vera, they can make a hair serum that gives you voluminous, healthy, and silky hair again. With simple, accessible, and inexpensive materials, it can be found in every kitchen. There are just a few things you should pay attention to. I recommend that you subscribe to the channel first to learn about the most practical and effective health and beauty tips in a natural way, and don't lag behind the rest of your friends. Chia seeds and chia seed gel have many benefits. I will tell you briefly. Stimulates hair regrowth, strengthens hair growth, increases hair elasticity, creates shine, prevents thinning, reduces hair loss, protects long hair, prevents dryness and frizz. And finally, we can safely say that the amazing effects of chia seeds for hair work like magic. Only those who have experienced the correct use of this seed will understand what I mean. We rest 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a glass of water for 30 minutes so that the glaze around it is released and we can extract the chia gel. In the meantime, I want to make one of the very strong detoxifiers of the body with chia seeds and spirulina algae. This drink is a rejuvenating and healing drink for all body diseases. It greatly increases the body's defense system. It completely empties and cleanses the intestines, increases the body's metabolism, and is a fat-burning and body-shaping drink that greatly reduces body size and, due to cleansing the body, makes the skin beautiful, eliminates acne, and strengthens collagen production in the body. It increases blood circulation and, most importantly, preventing cancer and stroke are among the greatest benefits of this drink. In Asia, this drink is called the Gate of Heaven. I drank this drink in the morning on an empty stomach, and in 2 months, I was able to lose 9 kilos and 4 sizes. Don't you think it's a miracle? So far, in the past 7 months, I haven't gained even a gram. Have you had a successful weight loss experience and a significant size reduction? If you are interested, write in the comments so that I can produce content for you about my experiences of getting in shape. When you see that the area around the chia seeds has become gelatinous, you can use a strainer to extract the gel. This serum works wonders for people who are frustrated with hair loss and those who have severe hair loss in front of the forehead and around the temples. This is my family's experience of over 50 years. My college friend had such a low self-confidence due to his thinning hair that it had a negative impact on his studies. And he used to gossip a lot. In order not to ruin his future life for a problem that has a cure, I first made the hair regrowth serum myself and gave it to him as a gift. The very first use of the results shocked him. Now, 12 years later, he still talks about it, and when he went in front of the mirror and saw his new hair, he fainted with excitement. He always tells me that you saved my future. Trust me, my friends, this recipe is really effective. The proportions of the hair regrowth recipe are as follows. The amount of coconut oil is half the amount of chia gel. Here I had 5 tablespoons of chia gel, so I added 5 teaspoons of coconut oil. So far, the formula is enough for hair regrowth. But I want to add softness and silkiness to my hair. I mean homemade keratin. The third thing is optional. Adding aloe vera to the recipe. I explain the reasons and explanations. If you have long hair, be sure to add aloe vera gel. Coconut oil contains essential fatty acids like lauric acid and capric acid that help nourish and strengthen hair. Using coconut oil can keep hair moisturized and prevent it from becoming dry and brittle. Using coconut oil strengthens the hair roots and speeds up the growth process, leading to thicker and fuller hair. And using this oil in a hair serum recipe increases blood circulation in the scalp, ultimately leading to hair regrowth and preventing hair loss. With continued use of this serum, hair follicles are strengthened and even return to their original color. My God, this is amazing. You have to make this hair serum with me, and be sure to keep me updated on the changes. The third ingredient we need is a palm-sized aloe vera, which has a gel inside and you need to extract it. Mix it with a spoon and a mixer or blender. Combine the resulting gel with the 2 previous ingredients we prepared. Stir until smooth. If necessary, you can use a blender or mixer again. The combination of these 3 ingredients together, with its unique properties, strengthens the hair follicles and even hydrates the hair strands. The only hair serum that treats all health and beauty problems of the hair is this recipe. Some people don't want you to know about these beauty recipes. One of the properties of aloe vera is to promote hair growth and maintain hair health. By using aloe vera gel on your hair and scalp, you can prevent hair loss because aloe vera gel contains an enzyme that stimulates hair growth. Other properties of aloe vera are that it is a natural treatment for itchy scalp and dry hair. It is a natural shiner and moisturizer for hair, a special treatment for hair that has been damaged by excessive coloring and has become very weak. Mix the 3 ingredients together. Congratulations! The hair serum is ready. Massage it on your scalp an hour before taking a shower and run your hand over your hair strands. After a few days, you will be shocked. The first sign of it, hair loss, will stop. Please send this recipe to friends who need it to support the channel. Comment your opinions, raise skin and hair problems in the comments. I will respond to you, dear ones, at the earliest opportunity. Thank you for watching the video to the end.